Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your credit card statements using Chase Document. To restore your credit card statements using the Chase Document Center, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the Chase website URL and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the credit card section on the main navigation menu. Click on the credit card for which you need the statements. After selecting your card, navigate to the Statements tab, usually found on the left-hand side. Here, you will see options for your statements, including current and previous years. To restore a specific month's statement, find the desired date from the list. Click on the corresponding statement link next to that date. The statement will open up in a new window or tab. From here, you can either view the document or download it. To download, look for a download icon or option, typically represented by a downward arrow. Click the download icon to save the statement to your computer. Choose your preferred folder for saving the file and click Save. Once downloaded, you can open the file from your chosen location. If you need additional statements, repeat the process for other months as needed. When finished, log out of your account for security reasons. This completes the process of restoring your credit card statements using the Chase Document Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.